талдаа бууг байж байна. Бид нар айж явах юм чинь.
Яг баруун гар талд
Ийшийг нь харахгүй юм тийм.
Many of you. I've had some good meetings here with the government leaders yesterday. And I have heard their views with respect to the status of your efforts on political and economic reform in Mongolia. I think you know the United States supports political and economic reform in Mongolia. What I want to do this morning is hear from you about where each of you thinks the process is and your assessment generally of the situation. And I would be pleased to start in
15:36 болж байна.
5 гараад дарга гараад ирсэн.
За баяр.